Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best retail Forex brokers. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Retail Forex brokers act as intermediaries between individual traders and the foreign exchange market. They provide trading platforms, leverage, and access to currency pairs, enabling traders to speculate on exchange rate movements. These brokers typically offer various account types, spreads, and execution models, such as market makers or electronic communication network brokers. Regulation, fees, and trading conditions vary among brokers, making it essential for traders to choose a reputable and well-regulated provider. Traders who are searching for some of the best retail Forex brokers can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So in this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best retail Forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Avatrade. Avatrade, a leading online trading platform, provides individuals and institutions with access to a diverse range of financial markets. The broker offers a user-friendly interface and cutting-edge trading tools to empower traders of all levels. Whether you are interested in Forex, commodities, stocks, or cryptocurrencies, their platform is designed to meet the diverse needs of the modern investor. With a reputation for reliability and transparency, Avatrade strives to deliver a seamless trading experience, supported by educational resources and responsive customer service. Avatrade offers a variety of market instruments to trade, catering to the various needs of its clients. These include Forex currency pairs, commodities, Forex options, crypto CFDs, indices, ETFs, and bonds. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Avatrade Options, Avatrade's Web Trader, as well as automated trading through DupliTrade and ZuluTrade. With a selection of versatile and robust trading platforms, Avatrade empowers its users to trade with confidence. Accounts are available on retail, multi-account manager, and professional accounts, with demo and Islamic account options. Avatrade's account types are structured to provide flexibility and customization, ensuring that traders of varying levels of expertise can find an account that aligns with their trading goals. The broker is dedicated to empowering traders with a wealth of educational resources as well, recognizing the importance of knowledge in successful trading. Avatrade provides a comprehensive range of educational materials suitable for traders of all levels. The platform offers informative articles, video tutorials, and webinars covering various aspects of trading, from fundamental concepts to advanced strategies. These resources are designed to enhance traders' understanding of the financial markets. Overall, Avatrade stands as a premier online trading platform, committed to providing a holistic and empowering experience for traders around the world. With a diverse range of trading instruments, user-friendly platforms, and flexible account options, Avatrade caters to the needs of both novice and experienced traders. Backed by transparency, reliability, and innovation, Avatrade invites users to explore the world of online trading with confidence. Whether you are looking to diversify your portfolio, engage in Forex trading, or delve into the exciting realm of cryptocurrencies, Avatrade offers a robust platform for traders to navigate and capitalize on global market opportunities. At number 4 on our list is FBS. FBS, a globally recognized online trading broker, stands at the forefront of the financial industry, offering a comprehensive platform that caters to the diverse needs of traders worldwide and established with a commitment to providing access to financial markets for both novice and experienced traders. FBS has rapidly gained prominence for its user-friendly interface, innovative trading tools, and a wide array of financial instruments. The broker offers a diverse range of trading instruments to cater to the dynamic needs of its global clientele, including Forex, metals, indices, energies, stocks, and Forex exotics. FBS distinguishes itself by providing traders with a diverse portfolio of instruments, offering flexibility and opportunities for profit across different asset classes, and ensures a comprehensive and accessible trading experience for individuals at all levels of expertise. Featured platforms are available on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms, and are designed to cater to the diverse needs of traders. Whether traders prefer the classic MetaTrader 4 or the advanced capabilities of MetaTrader 5, or even the convenience of mobile and web-based platforms, FBS ensures a diverse range of options to suit different trading styles and preferences. They offer a tailored trading experience with a variety of account types, designed to accommodate the diverse preferences and styles of its clientele. Traders can choose from a range of account options, including the Standard, Cent, and Pro accounts, with demo and swap-free Islamic account options. By offering a diverse range of account types, FBS ensures that traders can select the option that best aligns with their individual preferences, experience levels, and trading strategies. They also offer a diverse array of educational material, which includes guidebooks, tips, video lessons, and more. Also offered is a variety of webinars, seminars, and tutorials, which cover essential topics such as market analysis, technical and fundamental analysis, risk management, and trading strategies. These educational sessions are conducted by seasoned professionals and industry experts, offering valuable insights and practical tips to help traders make informed decisions. Overall, FBS stands as a leading force in the online trading industry, providing a comprehensive platform that caters to the diverse needs of traders worldwide. The broker's range of trading instruments, user-friendly platforms, diverse account types, and extensive educational resources reflect its dedication to creating a dynamic and supportive trading environment. Coming in at number 3, we have Octa. Octa, a prominent online trading platform, is a leading name in the financial realm. Renowned for its commitment to innovation and a user-friendly interface, Octa FX has emerged as a preferred choice for traders globally. With a focus on transparency, competitive offerings, and a secure trading environment, the broker offers a diverse selection of market instruments to trade, including Forex currency pairs, stock derivatives, indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and shares. With Octa FX, you can discover a world of trading opportunities with their broad spectrum of trading instruments, each meticulously curated to enhance the trading experience for individuals at every skill level. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and Octa Trader. Octa's trading platforms are known for their reliability, speed, and feature-rich environments, offering a range of technical indicators, charting tools, and customizable interfaces. The platform comparison available at the provided link allows traders to choose the one that best aligns with their preferences and trading strategies. Featured accounts are available on Octa Trader, MetaTrader 4, and MetaTrader 5 accounts, with demo and Islamic account options. Octa FX's commitment to transparency is reflected in the account comparison details, empowering traders to make informed decisions based on their individual requirements. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, Octa's diverse range of trading accounts ensures that you can find the perfect fit for your trading journey. The broker is also dedicated to empowering its users through a wealth of educational resources designed to cater to traders of all levels. From comprehensive tutorials and articles to insightful market analysis, Octa's educational materials cover a wide range of topics, ensuring that both beginners and experienced traders can stay informed and make well-informed decisions. The platform's commitment to education extends to webinars, seminars, and other interactive sessions, fostering a community where traders can exchange ideas and strategies. Whether you are looking to grasp the basics of trading or stay updated with the latest market trends, Octa FX's educational resources provide the tools and insights needed to navigate the dynamic world of online trading successfully. As traders explore the dynamic features and offerings available at Octa FX, they embark on a journey supported by cutting-edge technology, a comprehensive suite of tools, and a commitment to empowering individuals in their financial endeavors. Whether you're a novice seeking to learn the ropes, or an experienced trader looking for a reliable partner, Octa FX provides the foundation for success in the ever-evolving landscape of online trading. At number 2 on our list is FXPro. FXPro is a multi-asset, fully regulated online Forex and CFD broker that was founded in 2006. This award-winning broker uses an order book execution engine and offers competitive trading conditions and ultra-fast, no-dealing desk execution with deep liquidity. As a FXPro client, you can choose from more than 2,100 tradable instruments to diversify your investment portfolio with a variety of Forex pairs, precious metals, indices, shares, energies, and cryptocurrencies. FXPro provides all the tools, resources, and features you need to make informed decisions with your trades, and there are several different platforms that you can trade on when trading with this broker. Whether you are new to trading or an expert, FXPro provides beginner to advanced learning material, and beginners can practice using a risk-free demo account. More than 1.8 million people worldwide are currently trading on FXPro, and they have received more than 90 awards since launching in 2006. FXPro offers a total of 5 types of trading accounts and also gives clients the option to use demo accounts and swap free accounts. The trading conditions of FXPro's accounts are designed according to the platforms they are used with, and most accounts allow hedging and use a no-dealing desk execution model. With FXPro, you will be able to use MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, as well as CTrader, and the official proprietary FXPro trading platform, which are all supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FXPro provides educational resources for beginners to advanced traders, covering the topics of trading basics, fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and trading psychology. These learning modules are divided into lessons, and there are also videos you can watch to learn more about trading habits, currency pairs, and market players. You can also visit the help section or contact customer support if you need any help or advice regarding a particular issue or question that you have. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best retail Forex brokers we have Pepperstone. Pepperstone is a highly regulated, low-risk forex broker that offers competitive trading conditions with tight spreads guaranteed. This broker has been in the forex industry for more than a decade and offers 2 flexible account types, in addition to demo accounts and swap-free accounts. With Pepperstone, you can diversify your investment portfolio with more than 1,200 instruments and enjoy all the tools and features offered by the MetaTrader 4 and 5 trading platforms, as well as the CTrader trading platform. Pepperstone provides plenty of helpful articles for beginners, along with weekly video updates, price forecasts, and so much more. Pepperstone offers 2 main trading accounts with institutional-grade spreads, an active trader program, demo accounts, and swap-free accounts. All trading accounts allow hedging, scalping, and the use of expert advisors. Pepperstone uses a no-dealing desk broker that also offers premium benefits for professional traders. Pro clients have access to higher leverage referral rewards and dedicated account managers. Pepperstone provides the Razor account, which offers spreads starting at 0 pips and is recommended for scalpers and algorithmic traders. The Standard account is a beginner-friendly account with spreads starting from 0.6 pips. The Pepperstone demo account can be used on MetaTrader 4 and 5 as well as CTrader, and you can also specify the type of account you would like to try in a risk-free environment. Their swap-free accounts are suitable for clients of the Muslim faith and offer spreads starting at 1 pip, along with support for scalping, hedging, and expert advisor trading. Their active trader program is designed for high-volume traders and comes with virtual private server hosting and advanced insights and reports. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, as well as the CTrader trading platform. They also provide some helpful trading tools such as Smart Trader tools for MetaTrader 4 and 5, AutoChartist, MyFXBook, MetaTrader Signals, and DupliTrade for social trading. If you are new to trading, Pepperstone offers plenty of helpful trading guides and articles, educational webinars, and the option to copy the trades of professionals. You can also use a demo account to learn how to trade and practice different strategies. Pepperstone is an award-winning no-dealing desk forex broker that offers competitive, beginner-friendly trading accounts. With this broker, you can trade over 1,000 instruments on 3 of the most popular trading platforms in the market. You will have access to a variety of trading tools and plenty of market insights, market news, and educational resources to help you get started. And those are some of the top 5 best retail forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.